So many bills, P Litty, QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla done run through a million, I rock with a really, let's fuck on the billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the village.
What up, Soul Tribe? I'm your man, Big Cooda. Y'all know the rest. I am in Lapu, Cebu, Philippines. And today, I am a day early, but I'm just on time to apply for my extension, my very first extension here in the Philippines. I'm about to show you guys, or tell you guys about the process. I'm right now outside of the mall, and apparently I can apply for my extension here at the mall. How convenient is that? How convenient is this, you guys? So I'll see exactly what I need to do, what the process is, and I'll share that information with you guys here shortly. For my safety and to make sure I don't stir up any issues in there, I will not be vlogging or recording with my actual camera. Again, I will not be walking into the immigration bureau area with my camera. That's just not really a good idea. Some people do it to get the content. It's not necessary. Sometimes officials act differently. You just never know how people are going to treat you according to what they think or perceive. So for my safety and for everybody else's, I'm going to keep the camera to myself. I'm just also going to vlog my regular experience though for the day. Wow, I know I'm in Lapu because the prices of everything has doubled. I'm currently staying in the area called Leon, and that is my spot. There over there you can see the Bureau of Immigration, Mactan, if I'm saying that, Mactan, if I'm saying that correctly. And I'm about to share with you guys this process and how it goes. Probably grab some food after. I'm in the office. I just have to fill out a form basically saying where I live and who I am. And now I'm in the office to see what the next step is. 36 months. This is the easiest place I've ever got a visa and extension.
Yeah, really. This is really good.
Alright, you guys, this is the easiest visa form I've ever filled out. It's the easiest visa process I've ever had. Also the cheapest, and the people are kind. Like, they're not treating you crazy because you're trying to stay in the country longer. So I really appreciate that, and I got a video coming soon. Thank you. I can take it? Yes, thank you. And I get to keep this form so I can show my friends or whoever else how to do this. And I just so happen to be at the mall too, so now I get to kick it and, you know, do other things. Big Cooda back. Easiest process ever. Easiest process ever. Alright, so things you need to know about applying for your extension. One, no one's gonna hold your hand. But if you can read properly and you ask questions and you be polite and be patient, know that your worries and your obligations are not their obligations, they're just working. You'll be alright. I noticed that most of the time when I'm talking to officials in other countries, they won't necessarily be rude, but they have the patience high of someone who's working a 12-hour shift every day. And that's probably because they are. They're just people, just like me and you. They just so happen to be in positions where sometimes whatever they do on their end could possibly affect you. And I know that doesn't seem to be true. Like, how could they affect mine? You don't want to be in that position to find out. But what I do have to say about here in the Philippines, my very first extension, I'm so grateful that it went so sweet. It was literally A, B, C, D. Boom, boom, boom. Now, let's check out. I'm hungry, you guys, honestly. I really don't like to eat at the malls though. Even though the mall you can get some variety, it's just mall food don't be hitting that good. And the prices be hiked up. So right now I'm on the island where you catch the plane out of Cebu. So this island is also probably more expensive compared to the rest of the province. But most of the time for me it's about the quality. Let's see what they're talking about though. This is also my first time in this mall, so let's just turn it into a whole vlog. How you doing? What is this?
It's exfoliating gel.
Exfoliating gel.
Yes, you just use it 3 times a week.
I like that. Where I put it at? Just on my body?
Yes.
My face? Oh.
So we just try this here.
Okay. Look, I'm about to walk with you.
How old are you? What's your blog?
What's my blog?
Wow,
What's
hi.
What's up? What's up?
Hi. Welcome to what?
Wait, what you about to do with this? Y'all about to massage me?
You can try.
What's happening?
It's just try. You just
Don't worry.
put your
Please.
face.
So it's only free. You,
Yeah.
you just introduce our product
This one.
for the fee. For the
Bro, they
your
just
back
really
pain.
just put this on me. Hey,
Where you from, sir?
I'm from America. What?
California?
Nah, that's where the rich people live. I'm trying to go to California.
You want me? I will the one to massage you.
Yeah.
Massage oil.
Hey, massage oil. We might need this, y'all.
I'll be
I
the
don't
one
know
to
how.
massage you.
I don't know how kind this country is, but one day I'm gonna find somebody who wanna give me a massage.
Just try this,
Oh.
sir. It
Ooh.
only costs.
What's this?
What's
That's the one exfoliating gel. That one that
Which-
they put you in your face.
Oh, shoot. What is smell? Oh, that smell good, bro. Dang, she putting them hands on me, man. Yeah.
Also, try this soap.
Well, go ahead and
Some-
read this. It's you.
Banana. Banana guava.
Banana
soap
guava.
for antibacterial.
Yo, this soap though,
Oh,
I might need this.
the one who put in your back.
Y'all want me to try the massage oil?
Yeah.
Oh man,
Just try.
This only two. I'll give you 1,000.
it's gonna feel too good though, man. I can't be feeling that good. I got on short shorts today, y'all.
Unless you gon' do it.
I don't know if y'all know what that means, but when a black man start feeling real good, stuff start poking out. I can't have my legs poking out in shorts. There's kids around. I might have to go hit the block, y'all. I currently got 500 pesos to my name. I'm not worried though. I'm not tripping. I'm about to spend some of these pesos to go get something to munch on. Have a peso, have a lunch or lumbre, a mucha lucha, whatever they want to call it. And then I just downloaded this ride app called Move It. It's pretty fair. I'm gonna try to download Maxine, but I don't have phone storage like that. So I'm working with Move It, and I just now added my card information. I got a couple dollars on Cash App, so I know I'll be able to make it home safely. Or excuse me, make it to the hotel safely. And I'm gonna take it step by step, man. I think my brother's about to invest in these stocks with me, bro. Now, when I talk about investing in stocks, I'm specifically referring to trading options. That was the security guards and the officers here are very, very, like, you could tell like they fuck with you. You could tell like they not hating on you or being weird. Yeah, bro. What's up? Trade options, bro. But the thing about trading options is I need to be able to do it and not be in a rush to take the money out for any reason at all. You know, that shit go up and down. Sometimes it go in your favor, sometimes it's going in another. I just gained access to a bot that helps me trade though, and it basically just reads the indicators and tell you why and when the stock is going up, down, and yada yada. So if you guys would like information on that, I'll probably make my own commercial because I'm doing that now for my videos, making my own commercials. I'll make my own commercial, or you feel me, I'll make an own video telling you guys about the opportunity of how this is helpful, because it really is. It really is. I can tell you a little stingy with the sauce, but I'm about to bust it down on my kizzy. Pass it. A noodle dish made here in the Philippines, often made with veggies, glass noodles, regular noodles, and sometimes meat. When I first arrived in this restaurant, this was the first time eating here, by the way, when I tasted the pancit, I was like, oh shoot, it's about to burst. I ate a whole meal because it was good, right? And it is. French fries, same thing. Oh, it's about to bust. Chicken came out, played it perfectly. Oh, it's about to bust. I've been into the chicken, it was rubbery, but it was like a wet rubbery, wet. I didn't like that. So I just requested more, but I asked if I can get it well done. I'm not a fan of wasting food, but you can see it's a lot of, I don't know if it's undone. I don't know if the chicken is undone or what, but that chicken that you see there, little pieces of it is good. And then there's little pieces, there's pieces that's not. Maybe, I don't know who uses original chicken, but I do know that when I ate at Wingers, they brought up these big old drumsticks. Each drumstick was just like a beautiful munch of heaven. And then this place brought out like chicken poppers, but that's just fat. I think one of my chicken poppers was actually tasty though. One of the 4 that was on the plate. And yeah, I'm gonna go for round 2 and be optimistic about it. So over there, beyond those beautiful mountains with the sunset, is Negros Oriental. I will be going there soon.
That's a vibe.